Now let me explain you a concept how to create a hole when the surface is concave like this. Now the type of a hole required is this type. Now how to create this type of hole? Now let me go for a command called hole. Now the concave surface we could not able to select. So what best we can do is we can go for a parallel plane. Now let me select this bottom face. Then what is the distance of parallel? I can get this midpoint. Now you can see it is showing as topology set. Now let me select it as a sketching plane. Now if I am going to do the whole circle over there, then if I say return and it will ask for the direction, I will give a direction, but it will show a error 0 thickness. Now let me go for edit. Why it is showing so? Let me go and check it out. Now you can observe here the plane whichever I have selected, the concave, it is the bottommost portion. But from here to, that is from the bottommost portion to the bottommost portion of the concave to the remaining portion of the solid, it is going to create a hole. But if you observe here, the distance from here to here, it cannot create a hole. Because of that, it will show the 0 thickness error. In such of the condition, how to do the hole? We have to go for a hole command, then repeat the same parallel command, but while selecting this, we should not select this topology set. Slightly above this we have to select. Now if you see there, it is showing the topology set as 20 mm. Now let me make it for 22 mm. Now let me go for a distance of 22 mm as a parallel plane. Down you can see here, if I go and check a front view, the plane is slightly above here. You can observe this. The plane is slightly above. Now while giving a depth of cut, this 2 mm should be added. Now how to do that? Let us see. A parallel plane from here at a height of 22 mm. Let me create a whole circle. Then say return. It will ask a direction. Now you can see we could able to give a direction. We can able to make the cutout very properly. Now you can see while giving that cutout, the additional position whatever we have taken is also getting cut. Now this is a through cut. So here we need not to give any dimensions for the cutout. But if you are going to specify a depth of cutout, during that we have to consider the offset distance which is present over here. We have to consider that offset distance which is present over here. Then we can say finish. So this completes the holes using the concave shapes.